Alright, back here once again. I don't want to mess with the Bronco. We're trying to get some stuff caught up for Christmas. Got some stuff here. We got this little 6-shooter dude here. Thinking about making a little bit bigger version of him with one of these skulls. We got a few of these, and made a few of these in the past. Like the snowmobile guy and the guitar dude. But I was thinking about maybe make one kind of like getting ready to go in a draw, like old Western 6-shooter style. We'll see if we can't. So I've got things set up. Grab some nuts and bolts, some welding rod, and see if we can't get this done. Alright, and we've got this little shift knob skeleton looking dude finished up. Basically this is just an old bearing of some sort we had laying around. Washer that I tacked to the inside of that bearing so when it sits down the guy will still spin around. This is some 3/16 welding rod for his feet and his hands, and then 1/8 for the legs. A little set of bit these at 90, kind of look like a pistol. Some 3/8 nuts, 5/16 nuts, some more of that rod bent around to look like a set of ribs, and then our shift knobs from Amazon. Now I'm going to put this in some automotive, pull the head back off, put this in some automotive clear, and then it'll help keep it from rusting. If you like these videos, give us a thumbs up, a like, comment below. Remember to get out there and create something today, even if it sucks.